What? Give him, Shelby. Okay. Why don't you give your brother a reverse so he can get out of the ditch? No, 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 don't. I see that. Not with flip-flops on, okay? Whose Flintstone mobile is in the driveway? God, I love these kids. Shelby, put Evan back on there and give him reverse so he can get out of the ditch. Make him drive it out so he'll know how to do it. Okay. Okay. Tell him to go reverse. Oh no! Michael. You did not do that. You did not just do that. Well, honey, we'll give it some gas. It's ready. Go, go, go. There you go. No, it's enough. You're going to have to sweep. Pull him back a little bit further. Pull him back. Go, go, go. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Give it gas. Oh, you have the tractor. You can go backwards here. Push it in reverse. Oh, big. You better move, Evan. Okay, back. Give it gas. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Turn your wheel this way. Go this way. Come this way. Come towards Nana. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Give it gas. Come on. Come on. A little at a time. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little. No, no, no. Don't you run over my toes. No, don't you run over my toes. You have the sweat on your head. Be careful, Ashton. Let Netta move her car. Uh-oh. Don't you bite her. He says get off. Okay, she's off. You're going to need her help. Let him drive it. They're getting sleepy. It's almost, we're going to go in and eat lunch and then we're going to take a nap. Come here, park your truck. Are you drinking Nana's? Are you drinking my lemonade? Shelby, he's getting tired. Just get off the back of it. What happened? Well, he wants you off. Okay, she's off. She's off. She's off. Let's go in and cool down a little bit, okay? There you go. You ready to go in? Oh my goodness. Good driving. Watch your toes. Here you go, Shelby. You can help Ashton. Drive. Give it gas. Give it gas. There you go. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yay, yay, yay. Good job. Shelby.